Hi, so today the goal is to show you how you can use an adapter to take really nice photos just with a smartphone. So you see here there is a rod, you can remove it or not. I am removing it because I have very large eyepieces, so if I leave it on, it won't fit. So it is precisely to adapt to all types of eyepieces. So you have your phone, you have your adapter. Right here you can fix it depending on whether you want it higher or lower. This part here. I will fix it roughly in the middle, somewhat arbitrarily. It prevents it from spinning all the time, so I prefer to start by fixing this. Next, here it is just a simple spring, so you just attach your phone using the spring. That way your phone is held quite securely. And then the idea is to try and align the lens you want to use on your phone roughly in the center. This will save you from having to struggle later to find the center once you are at the microscope. So next we have here our eyepiece, which we use for viewing. And so we come here to carefully attach it to the eyepiece. We just tighten it, making sure that it is firmly fixed in place. So there, that is it. I have attached my phone to my adapter and I will be able to use this like a camera. So I can navigate without any trouble. I have no problem moving around. I am moving across the slide. We see there are very densely cellular areas and areas that are a bit less thick. And that is what interests me, because in the thinner areas, we will have easier access to the cellular details. So here I am switching to 20 times magnification. It already gives me a good overview. At 20 times, what do I see? I see that I have cellular clusters that look cohesive. I have a smear background that is hemorrhagic, and at first glance I don't see any inflammation. So I am continuing my investigation. I am going to switch to 40 times magnification. There, okay, there we go. All right, let's see. There we go, just like that. So now I am at 40 times, I can already see a bit better. Now, what is magical is that on top of that, nowadays we have really great cameras on our phones. And so look, if I want to, I zoom in. And I zoom in with a quality that is still excellent. We can really see the grain of the chromatin inside. You can really see the chromatin grain inside, prominent nucleoli, and so on. So you can still see the details really well. So we can try to go even further to 100 times. Now, what's a bit tricky with our new phones is that often there are 2 or 3 cameras, well, 2 or 3 lenses. So you have to find and align the right one. After that, it's pretty smart. After a moment, it focuses in the right place. And so you see, it's still super practical. And likewise, we can zoom in further and really get quite magnificent cellular details. So it's quite impressive. And so it's no longer an excuse to say there's no way to take beautiful photos with a smartphone. You have the means to take high quality photos and videos that look great. There you go. See you soon.